Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the image so the document accepts it cleanly. Choose a PNG or JPG and resize to roughly 800 × 600 or the desired ratio. This prevents layout shifts. Once done, place the cursor where the picture should go, then use Insert Picture or drag and drop the file. You do this now because early placement sets flow and wrap behavior. Make sure to name the file clearly. That helps if you need to replace it later. Now refine how the image interacts with text and the page. Select the picture and choose Text Wrap. Inline if you want it treated like text, or square/tight to flow text around it, behind or in front for overlay effects. You can drag handles for quick resizing or enter exact width and height for precision. Once done, anchor the image to a paragraph or page so it stays put when editing. This prevents accidental jumps when content above changes. To finalize, swap in a different image without rebuilding the layout. Right-click the picture and choose Change Picture. That preserves size and wrap. If the new image looks blurry, replace with a higher resolution file or turn off aggressive compression in your document settings. Once done, recheck alignment and anchor points. If the picture jumps, reapply the wrap mode and re-anchor to the paragraph. A key tip: if layout still breaks, undo and redo the insert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.